At DryTech Exteriors, we understand the concerns you may have when hiring a roofer. We want to help you navigate the common pitfalls, risks, and mistakes that can happen when choosing the wrong provider. At DryTech Exteriors, we care about your peace of mind, and we'll explain why our easy, stress-free, and proven process ensures your project success and a positive experience.
Roofing projects can be complex, and if not handled properly, can lead to headaches down the road. Common risks include water leaks, poor workmanship, and unexpected costs.
When hiring a roofing contractor, it is crucial to watch for red flags. These can include vague estimates, lack of proper licensing and insurance, poor online reviews, and out-of-town based companies. These signs often indicate a contractor who might not have your best interest in mind or may not still be around to service your warranty.
Roofing projects require precision and expertise. Unfortunately, some roofers make common mistakes that can lead to costly repairs later on. These mistakes can include improper ventilation, using low-quality materials, and neglecting to address underlying issues. Hiring an inexperienced or unprofessional contractor can result in improper installation, which may lead to serious problems. Water damage, mold growth, and structural issues are just a few examples of what can happen if your roofing project isn't done correctly the first time.
To mitigate project failure, consider the following when interviewing potential roofing contractors. Are they insured? Do they use high-quality materials? Can they provide references from satisfied customers? And perhaps most importantly, what is their process for ensuring your project's success?
At DryTech Exteriors, we are insured. We use high-quality materials. We do provide references from countless satisfied customers. We have hundreds of 5-star reviews, and we do have a process to ensure your project's success, leaving you with a positive experience. If you are in the market for a new roof or roof repair, contact us today for a free roof inspection. We can provide you with the information you need to get the best roofing result for your home.